sense. Sorry. I saw him. Now there are some conditions to make a phrase. Can we say this part of the sentence as a phrase? I saw him? No, because this is not a group of words. I saw a man. Can we call this part of the sentence as a phrase? Yes, because this is a group of words. Now, there are 4 conditions to make a phrase. A question may arise in your mind that can we call this part of the sentence as a phrase? No, because a phrase does not contain any finite verb. It may contain non-finite verb like gerund, participle or infinitive, but a phrase does not contain any finite verb, and saw is an example of finite verb. Now, can we say I saw man or I saw a? No. Then we can notice that a man is interrelated. The 2 words are interrelated. So we can state that a phrase is a group of words, but the words are interrelated. The most important condition to make a sentence is that a man, a group of words, but is acting a single parts of speech. How? I saw what? I saw what? I saw a man. And when we question a sentence with what, we get an object. Ria, do you know which parts of speech acts as an object? Very good. Noun or pronoun. Thus we can say this part of the sentence or this phrase is acting as a noun. And this is an example of noun phrase. Very good. There are 6 types of phrases. There are 6 types of phrases. We have just seen noun phrases. Noun phrase. Now, he worked with care. What is the verb? He worked how? He worked how? Dia, do you know when we question a verb with how, when or where, what we get? We get an adverb. Thus we can say this phrase is an example of adverbial phrase. Very good. By Jove, he achieved his goal. Raju, what is the name of this mark? Very good. Exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark to express the overflow of our expression or emotion. And this is an example of which parts of speech? Interjection. Very good. This is an example of interjectional phrase. It is a chain of gold. Of gold is the phrase and a chain is the noun. We can notice that of gold is defining the noun. Shams, which parts of speech defines the noun? Very good. And adjective. So we can state that this part of the sentence or this phrase is the example of adjective phrase. We will live soon. In order that we don't miss the train. In this sentence, we will notice that we will leave soon is a clause and we don't miss the train is another clause. Okay, Jia, do you know which parts of speech joins two clauses or two sentences? Very good. Conjunction. So we can say that this phrase is an example of conjunctional phrase. Do you have any doubts about this topic? Okay, let's discuss some questions. Ria, do you know what is a phrase? Very good. A phrase is a group of words without complete meaning. Raju, do you know which phrase defines the noun? Very good. An adjective phrase defines a noun. Okay. Sham, do you know which phrase defines the verb? Very good. An adverbial phrase. Dia, do you know how many types of phrases are there? There are 6 types of phrase. Now, I will give you some homework. Try it at home. If you will face any problem to solve it, I will help you tomorrow. Okay? Identify the underlined phrases. He was at the place. It was a fearful fight. He likes to play football. Thank you.